Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a cell night gray. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Come around back. We've got a trailer hitch. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Up in, we've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. We've got navigation, a rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad, and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE has 47,324 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, check out feldmanimports.com.